Hey everyone, I'm Sashraf and I work on Bito. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a really cool feature of Bito's AI code review agent. So here I have a pull request that I raised half an hour ago and ran Bito's AI code review agent. Now Bito gives me summary of the pull request, a change list, and then the suggestions. So here we have 18 actionable suggestions, 17 additional suggestions because the pull request was fairly large and we had more than 1700 lines of code. So let's look at the first suggestion and then I'll demonstrate the feature. It says static access violation. We have these two, we are initializing these two instance variables and it says that these should be declared as static because they are accessed from the static validate expense method. So let's suppose I don't know anything about code and I ask Bito in a comment here. Why can't a static method have variable? Maybe this is just my genuine question which I want to ask Bito. Let's see what it says. Here we go. I asked Bito why cannot a static method access instance variables, and Bito says static methods belong to the class and not to a particular instance. Instance variables require an object of that class to exist. So you say this here, right? Bito gave me a suggestion based on my code, and I was not able to understand the suggestion, and I asked Bito a question, and it gives me the answer. And it's not just about understanding the suggestion. You can also ask it to propose alternate solutions, to go deep into the explanation, etc. Let's have a look at another example. So here we have currency conversion error handling. This currency conversion span lacks proper error handling. Okay, and Bito gave me this code suggestion, and say I do not want to include this code suggestion, and I'm looking for an alternative. So let's ask Bito. Is there an alternate solution to this? So Bito gave me this alternative. One alternative is to use promise chaining with a dot catch on the convert currency async call. For example, this. Let's ask a follow-up question. Can I skip error live junior developer questions? But this will do the work. Bito comes up with an answer. The two suggestions differ only in syntax. One uses async await with try catch, while the alternative uses promise chaining. In both cases, error handling is essential to avoid displaying undefined or error texts, so skipping it is not recommended. So this is how Bito's chat in your PR feature works. You can ask Bito questions around anything and everything related to the PR and the suggestions that it offers. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the Bito team. Thank you.